Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to take a look at the Vesafe wireless tire pressure monitoring system. This is a basically standalone TPMS sensor for older vehicles or ones that you just don't want to go through the hassle of having to remove the tire. These are valve stem type receivers. So we'll take a look at the box real quick. Improve vehicle safety, fuel mileage, enhance vehicle performance, extend tire life. That's all a given if you keep your tire pressure properly. Things will work out better with the tires. I bought the 10 pack because I have a dually, so it's 6 tires on my truck, and I also have a trailer that's 4 more tires. That's the 10 sensors that I would need. Take a look at the box. DIY, real-time 24 data, fast leakage, temp alert, water resistant, anti-theft, within 1 psi accurate, wide range up to 188 psi, and psi and bar selectable units. What I can say about all these is everything is true. I have had no problems with these yet. Been running about a month with them. Again, shows you everything it can be used for. Same thing. And in the back, you kind of just got a product description. It does have temperature, high and low pressure. And that's everything that you got there. It comes in this little box. The units right here, I have it on the truck. I'll show you in a second. There's my sensors. It came with a stand that you can screw in, a sticky pad for your dashboard, a whole bunch of other O-rings and nuts to secure the unit to the vehicle and to the valve stem, to the tire, whatever you're trying to attach it to, which would only be a tire. Other than that, it's been a great unit. So I'll take it down. We'll take a look at it. As you can see here, the tire it's blinking on is the tire it's showing. So that's my back left outside. It's my passenger front. You see it's PSI and temp. Driver side front. Passenger side outer tire for rear. And driver side outer tire rear. I don't have the inner dually tires on yet because I have to take tires off to do that, and I didn't feel like doing it. You can go directly to each tire with the arrow, but this self-cycles for you. You don't need to stare at it the whole time. It will do an audible and visual alert for any type of abnormalities, whether it be high pressure, low pressure, high temp, anything like that. The unit will light up and make a alarm noise, and then you can silence it with one of the buttons when you push it. So you do not have to stare at this unit. That's a good thing. It's on and off, and then your USB micro charger, which it does come with, and it is a pretty long cable. That's your speaker for your audio. That's where you program your little sensors on the side. It's very simple. I'll show that as well. And there's the antenna. Kind of just mounts up right there. Does pretty well, and you see the backlight is on. And if you have it fully charged, honestly, I've left this thing on for about a week. So you at least get a week's life of battery out of this thing, which is amazing. And then you can just charge it while you're driving. So it ends up working out pretty good. Alright, we're going to get one of these installed on the trailer tire that I have. And we'll take a look at how to, I guess, set it up and how easy it is to install. Okay, installation is pretty simple on these TPMS sensors. Go ahead and unscrew your valve stem cap. Go ahead and get one of the little brass nuts and screw it on there, the safety nuts. Alright, once you have the brass safety nut on there, you're going to go ahead and come back over to the Vesafe control unit here. Go ahead and press and hold the center set code button here. Everything will come up and flash. You're going to scroll until you find the tire that you want to do, which this way is actually the way the trailer is facing. So it is this back tire in there we want to do. So it's fairly simple. Just go ahead and push the enter button. You'll see the red light flashing. and the code flashing, and bring your sensor over to the left side, and you see it already picked up there. And go ahead and press and hold the code button again in the middle. We're back over here, and a cool thing about this controller is you can actually disconnect and connect the trailer or the truck. So we're going to go ahead and hold the plus button to add the trailer back in. There's the trailer. We're going to go ahead and put the TPMS sensor on. Alright. Let me go ahead and get that all screwed down. Alright, as you can see, it's cycling through the front of the truck now, which the truck's pretty far away, so it's not going to pick it up. And we're going to be cycling through the trailer now tires. And it takes a few minutes for them to pick up. We'll see if we got one of them online yet. There it is. 66 psi, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. So it did pick it up. And like I said, you can connect and disconnect the trailer. So the alarm, and see how all the tires disappeared, so the alarm doesn't go off. You can bring it back in. Same thing with the truck. You can actually disconnect the truck from the trailer. And there goes the truck. Now it's just the trailer. And you press and hold it again. And it comes on. So yeah, this is a pretty good system. Well worth the money. It's probably the cheapest 10 sensor system that you could find. I'll put a link in the description below for it. It's a really, really good system. The battery lasts a long time. It's changeable batteries. It's just been performing phenomenally. Alright everybody, I just wanted to show you that all of the 4 sensors are hooked up. My trailer is down in its hole. It's about 200 plus feet away. So I just wanted to show you that the range on this thing is still pretty good. They say 50 feet, but this trailer is probably 200, 250 feet away. And once it pans through all the tires, I'll show you real quick. So if there's any doubt on whether it's going to connect to your furthest away tires while you're hauling or something, there's no doubt about it will. And as you see, I like how you can change the tire positions. You see the outside of my dually tires are a little bit further out than the trailer tires. I like how you can select each one of the position of your tires. And if we look real quick, you see the trailer is down there in the hole, which is quite far away. So this thing still works. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.